To automatically change your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra lock screen wallpaper when theater mode is on, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap theater. Scroll down the screen. Under change appearance section, tap the lock screen thumbnail and then select the desired lock screen wallpaper. As the example, we will select a wallpaper from the feature section. Tap done button to save your selection. By doing this, when theater mode is active, your phone will automatically set the selected wallpaper as your lock screen wallpaper. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.